Hi, Michaela. How you doing? I'm really enjoying this illustration. I think it's fantastic, and it's not so much the illustrative technique that I'm really interested in. It's the communicative value. Now, it's definitely got an urban feel to it, and we can see that it's definitely got an urban setting based on the background. And I think a lot of times this kind of graffiti-esque artwork indicates a really colorful presentation to add some color to an otherwise urban kind of drab setting. And I think some urban artists really do a fantastic job of infiltrating color into an otherwise drab setting. And to me, that's really impressive. And to me, that's what this illustration is communicating. Not knowing anything about the illustration and just looking at it, it's kind of a statement, if you will. It's kind of a statement on society in a way, and especially a counterculture based on urban artists and their relationship with their environment. And that environment may not be the most colorful atmosphere as living in other maybe suburban environments or something less urban. And to me, the communicative value there is really super impressive. Love the color scheme. I think the color scheme just really against these buildings and the polluted background. I just think it just really says so much about the artist's statement and the artist's intent. So I think you mentioned something really interesting, and I have two questions for you. You mentioned the varying stroke weights within the illustration. Use the width of the lines using a wide variety of thicknesses. So these varying stroke weights, what tool do you think the illustrator used to get that kind of varying stroke weights? And also, in your opinion, what does the water, like the melting sort of bottom of the illustration, we can see that the green from the tennis shoe is kind of melting down into the blue puddle. And the puddle to me indicates that something has already kind of melted down. So what do you think that is? What is the meaning of the water, or the puddle, or the melting of the bottom of the illustration? And then also, if you could, just tell me what you think the tool is that the designer is using to attain those varying stroke weights. All right, great job. Thanks so much for sharing.